Welcome to Bet 5. Have you ever had this experience? You pick banker, it loses. You switch to player, it loses. You go back to banker, it loses again. And then you think, I'm just unlucky. But what if the problem isn't luck or strategy? What if it's something much simpler but overlooked? Let's break it down. Most players believe they are choosing the wrong side, but in reality, Baccarat doesn't punish bad choices in a predictable way. Each round is independent. So what's actually happening? Players are switching too often. They don't lose because they picked banker or player. They lose because they keep changing their decision every few seconds. There is no consistency in their approach. After just 1 to 2 losses, most players switch sides immediately, increase their bet size, or chase the result they missed. This creates a cycle, loss to reaction to bigger bet to bigger loss. And this cycle feels like bad luck. But it's actually behavioral pressure, not probability. Controlled players do something very different. They don't ask, what just lost? They ask, what is my plan before I enter? They might stick to one side for a set number of rounds, or wait for a clear condition before entering. The key difference is consistency, not prediction. Here's something most beginners never realize. Not betting is also a decision. Experienced players often win not because they play more, but because they play less, and only when conditions feel stable. Avoiding unnecessary rounds reduces emotional mistakes. So, if you feel like you're always picking the wrong side, it might not be your choice. It might be your reaction speed. If you want more real breakdowns like this, subscribe to Bet 5, because in Baccarat, discipline beats guessing.